With the help of this new platform that I'm going to be presenting you today, you are going to earn money online by doing transcription and subtitle jobs. This is going to be working remotely, so everyone who is watching this video can start earning money by doing it. At the very end of it, not only you are going to get paid $0.9 per minute, but as well you are going to get paid up to more than 450 euros per average monthly pay. And as soon as you start growing up into doing this kind of job, you are going to earn more than up to 3,000 earn money online for just doing this kind of remote jobs. So in order to make it work, just make sure to pay attention and follow every step that we are going to be sharing with you. This kind of strategy is going to be working worldwide, will not ask you for any previous experience at all, because this can be working even for those of you who are starting for the very first time to make money online. Will not ask you for special skills, because everyone can do making or can be making transcription and subtitles jobs. So just pay attention, stay with me till the very end of it, and you are going to start earning money online by doing so. Don't forget that if you like this kind of content and you want to see more new ones coming up day by day, go to Better Personal Growth, give a big thumb up to the video below, subscribe to the channel and push the notifications on, so whenever we post a new video you could be able to get notified, not miss out any of them, and start making a dime by completing this kind of jobs. By doing this kind of online jobs to make money online. Something that you need to bear in mind, guys, is that a lot of people wait that, or as soon as they see this kind of videos, they want to get rich immediately. No, guys, you have to pay a lot of attention, you have to put some effort into it. For sure you are going to spend time, but at the very end of it, it's going to be worth it, since it's going to secure you this kind of online money. But at the very end of it, at the very beginning of it, you will have to work hard with it so you can earn a lot of money online. This platform, it is called happysubscribe.com, and it is available for every one of you worldwide. It is totally for free and everyone can start making it work today by just signing up. But before going there, you will be able to see that it is legit and totally secured. For those of you who all wonder about the fact that it's like a scam platform or not, this is totally legit and secured for everyone. It is trusted and supported by Trustpilot, and it has got almost 4.8 out of 5 stars, which it makes it totally one of the best platforms online to use. This is based on the reviews, so more than up to 450 reviews, and the people claim that they have the greatest service. It is quickly and it is easy. It has got very useful tools. It has got a lot of solution about all this kind of jobs that you may be doing, and it is fast and simple. So it is for everyone very suitable to use. So again, happyscribe.com. It is a worldwide platform, and here you will be doing transcription and subtitles all in one platform, and you can be starting online by just clicking here, start for free. So as I promised you since on the beginning, you can make it work totally for free for everyone. You can see as well that it's trusted by some of the greatest businesses online, and some of the services that they are offering are transcription, subtitles. But if you scroll till the very end of it, you are going to be seeing as well that they are offering even translation of the audios and translation of the videos. So yeah, this is how you have to use the platform. So you have to scroll till the very end of it to click into subtitles tools, and you will be directed right over here where you will have to get started and apply totally for free. Transcription jobs from home and subtitle jobs from home are going to get paid the same amount of money online, and the only thing that you need to do is just to apply. And whenever you click there, you will have to type your name, email address, password, and to apply for. Something that is interesting here and very important to bear in mind, guys, is the fact that if you click into apply for, you will have the opportunity to apply for transcription and subtitling, and for sure subtitle translation. But what is important is the fact that, okay, all of us, we know English, but if you know another language like French, Spanish, German, Dutch, Portuguese, Italian, Polish, Catalan, Swedish, Danish, and other languages, this will be more suitable for you. This will be more great for you, because this is going to secure you more online money. yeah, this is going to pay you more online if you know some other languages. So you may be doing like transcription or translation or subtitle translation from English into other languages, and this will pay you, secure you more revenue money. And you will have to choose between of them. After you have applied for one of those that you like, you will have to agree to terms and services and privacy policy and their requirements and sign up totally for free. Something that you need to bear in mind again is the fact that they will send you an email message and you will have to open the link that they have sent you, and you are going to be directed here where you will have to fill out some information, and you will have to fill out something like a questionnaire about the guidelines and about the things that they want to know about you. Bear in mind that you will have to answer sincerely and to remember what you have answered for, so you will never make a mistake into it, because as soon as they see that you give different answers about the same question, they will understand that that's not a very legit account. And after you have completed all the questionnaire with the questions that they had made to you, you will be directed into another page, which is this one over here. So it is that they have received your application. They will take some time after you submit your application. They will control your question. They will control your answers, and for sure they will accept your invitation to become a transcriber or to become a subtitle translator to this platform. Something that is worth mentioning is the fact that they will not stop you from becoming like that, but they just want to know how serious you are into this. Whenever you get accepted, so make sure to watch the email page or the spam messages. Whenever they accept your invitation, they will send you another test where they will see how good are you in transcribing and subtitling. Even though that you may have no experience into that or skills into that, no worries guys, because this is just a simple test and everyone can make it work. And yeah, after that you will be starting to earn money online, not only per minute but as well per average month, which is going to pay the same amount that I promised you since the beginning. Something else that is worth mentioning is the fact that not only you can do all this kind of jobs here using all the tools that are offered, but as well you can start getting paid even with affiliate program that they are offering. For the moment the platform is not letting me in, but yeah, you are going to do the affiliate program and make sure that you maximize your earnings more. So just click into the affiliate program, which is at the very end of the page again, so you have to scroll till the very end of it. There are a lot of categories to choose for, but as well you can choose between affiliate program and the subtitles and transcriber tools. You can be working even as a freelancer, so that's why it's one of the best companies, since it is offering a lot of options to you to choose. It is supported worldwide, because you can even see even from the languages right over here. And yeah, this is how you can start earning money with happyscribe.com worldwide. Thank you for watching this video till the very end of it, and if you want to see more, don't forget to support us by subscribing and by pushing notifications on. See you on the other videos.